Yeah.
Hi, good afternoon, Miss Lia. Let me introduce myself. My name is Klarik Putra.
And my name is Kinara Krisna.
We are from Group 22, and this is our group discussion video project about roles of engineer.
I'm Klarik because today we are doing our group discussion about roles of engineer. I really wanted to know about what your opinion in a work prospect for engineers, especially mechanical engineering graduate.
In my opinion, about work prospect for mechanical engineering graduate is can be placed in the development section, supervisor production, maintenance production, and quality control of product in the automotive industry and other industry. How about you, Kiken?
Totally agree with you, and I also want to add something. Basically, just my experience. For me as a woman, in fact, in this major, we have only a little portion of women. At first, I feel a little bit scared about how am I well doing in the study, how can I do with the gender gaps, and because it's a man industry. But until I get so much words from our lecture that women in this industry is such an important roles and we are needed, I feel a little bit relief and not worrying about the prospect for me as a woman in this industry. And how about yourself? What job do you want to apply after graduate?
Mm, For now, I'm interested and I want to be an expert of automotive and I want to be a mechanic and make a business in the automotive sector.
Um, Actually, for me, I'm interested in renewable energy and in the developments of sustainable energy because globally the attitude towards the energy sector is changing and renewables is leading the way. And what skill do you want to learn in mechanical engineering?
Uh, I want to do and being an expert for like vehicle machinery. For example, I want to study the overhaul and tune up motorcycle and car. I also want to can create a modification on motorcycle and car.
And next, because after we graduate, we will work in the industry and we have to make an improvement to our society. Do you think we do have role in the society? So, what, in your opinion, how important is the role of an engineer in industry?
According to me, role of engineers in industry very important because without engineers in every industrial sector, certainly not easy to plan and designing a product. Maybe can make without engineers, but make a plan and designing product before production is important. That a product because use without problem and desired. How about you, Ken?
For me, yes, I totally agree with you that we have an important role in the industry because we have to design it, we have to make it a plan for a product or a system. So, next, do you think being an engineer can make an impact in our society?
Hmm. Yes, in my opinion, engineers make so much impact in our society, especially this day with all the change in technology. Engineers often design something that influence daily lives, even basic habit. Let's start from a basic things in daily base, such as fork, your phone charger, rod scale, and so many others.
Do you think learning about the software, such as SolidWorks or AutoCAD, is needed in this industry?
Yes, we can improve our hard skill by learning software, such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and many others. Actually, because I'm not pro in working on software and I am newbie in this, I want to do some course in the holiday after we doing our final exam.
It's same as me. I really wanted to do some courses in our long holiday. And this is what I really wanted to know. What reason of you choosing this mechanical engineering major?
For me, I choose mechanical engineering because I interest about machining, especially relate with automotive. And I want can be a mechanic because I hobby. How about you?
Um, I prefer mechanical engineering because it use a lot of logic and I love to thinking with logic like systematically. And I think, in my opinion, you really like automotive industry, right? So, what is your opinion about booming development of electric cars? And do you think electric cars can replace car with fuel?
According to me, development of electric cars must be improved for every overcome deficiencies like price too expensive and problem about lack of charging point. In my point of view, electric cars can replace car with fuel because price of electric car too expensive for now. And other deficiencies and people who will be automotive, in my opinion, will prefer cars with fuel compared electric cars.
So because we are live in a developing country, what is your opinion why engineers important in national development?
My opinion, because engineers are the ones responsible for push the limit of possible, the ones constantly making advancement in any form of development and technology imaginable. The ones that think it of an idea, take that idea and make it a reality. And that's all our group discussion video project about rules of engineer. Thank you so much for watching, Miss Lia.